The topic here to discuss is the forest resources and forestry practices of Japan. It is the second representation of Asia, and here also we will discuss about the physical features of Japan, physical regions of Japan, and then forest types and major species, then forest based industries of Japan, right? And as we know, Japan is comprises of about thousands of small and uh, four large islands which constitute the nucleus of country, and these are here Hokkaido, the northmost, that is about the size of Ireland, then Honshu, this is about the size of Great Britain, and then Shikoku, this is lying south of the inland area, and then Kyushu, it is about half of the size of Hokkaido, right? And next we have their description, and these all islands comprises of mountainous interiors which surrounded by narrow disconnected lowlands. Also a large number of volcanic peaks occurs therein, and these are about 50 and are still active. Okay. There are a number of excellent harbors all along the coast which have played a great role in all round development and economy of the country, right? Climate is temperate monsoon type, and the mountainous interior and presence of ocean currents that causes climatic differences between western and eastern Japan, right? Bulk of precipitation occurs in the month of June and early July only, right? Then we have forest types of Japan, and even though the land area of Japan is very small, and but it has forests which are rich in composition as well as in stocking also. Okay, it is a quite amazing fact. And the different forest types of Japan are here. Number one of them is subtropical forests, and this forest type is accounts for about 37% of total forest area of Japan, and these are mainly semi evergreen to evergreen with the transition to temperate being deciduous forest. Okay, then we have second forest type, this is temperate forest type, and these are fairly developed all over the Japan, and it accounts for about 41% of total forest area, and these are mainly broad-leaved in nature, and the main species found here are Fagus serrata, and certain areas with open grasslands are also intermixed with these forests, right? Then we have third forest type, and it is subfrigid forest, and this forest type is account for about 22% of total forest area of Japan, right? It is found mainly in the mountainous area that is extending up to alpine zone, and this region receives heavy snowfall during the winter times, and many species found here are Texas and Abies, right? Here are some prominent species of Japan. These are Tangyu, then Jelkova, then Laurel, then Camphor, then Japanese hemlock, then Japanese cedar, that is Cryptomeria japonica, right? And we have some forest based industries of Japan, and these are here. Number one of them is lumbering, and certain almost coniferous forests are set aside for timber supply in Japan, and lumber is used for house construction and as a source of industrial wood, and it provides seasonal employment especially for farmers during winter times, right? Earlier severe depletion was observed due to heavy dependency of people to fulfill the local domestic needs, but now emphasis is given on conservation based forestry, and raw material is also imported for industry, and sawmills are mostly located in the vicinity of ports and other densely populated areas, right? Then the next forest based industry is paper and pulp, and Japan has fairly developed paper industry, and the coniferous forests which occupies about 50% of total forest area serves as raw material for this purpose. And the main species used are hinoki, then pine, then larch, spruce also, and fir. Okay, paper mills are mostly located around major industrial centers of Japan. Right. Then we have next forest based industry. This is fuel wood. And earlier Japan was heavily dependent on fuel wood forests, and these are about 36% of total forest area of Japan. Okay, especially for domestic cooking and heating purposes, and heat supply, that is particularly in rural areas, right? These are mainly hardwoods species like beech, oak, birch, and maple, and their production was 2 times to that of industrial wood due to this reason. Okay, since recent past, emphasis is shifted on electricity and natural gas for this purpose to reduce the pressure on these forest or these species, right? Next we have aesthetic forestry, and forest and wildlife have aesthetic value in Japan, and there are about 31 national parks, 56 quasi national parks, and 314 prefectural parks, and this data is as per the April 2014. Okay, for the protection of forest, a national park department has been created in Japan, and forests have a special place in cultural life of the Japanese, as it is also evident from the customs of people, right? As we know what is the custom, and trees are invariably planted on shrines, cemeteries, temples, and tombs, right? It is similar to India also. Trees were planted along roads and avenues as early as 1600 AD. Okay, plantations are raised around the farmhouses for protection against sun, sand, and storms, right? Felling of trees even in the private areas is strictly controlled by the government. Okay, Japanese people turn out in large number for any of the afforestation program in country. Okay, and this is a brief account of forest resources and forestry practices of Japan. Thank you.